Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is perfect for your garden because it's going to make handling those weeds and planting a lot easier. So it is a nice metal garden cart. This was sent over by a company called VEVOR, and as you can see, I am sitting on it right here. So first off, it's gonna come with some instructions, super easy to install. It's gonna come with everything you need. And plan for about no more than 20 minutes to assemble it if you're doing it by yourself. Everything has a nice powder-coated metal frame here, so you don't have to worry about rusting, which is absolutely great because I'm in a kind of a humid area. As far as the wheels, they are a nice 8-inch inflated wheels, so they're super smooth when rolling it over different surfaces, whether you're going through gravel, dirt, mud, you're going across your patio, grass, etc. It can handle all of those materials. It's very, very smooth when rolling. One of the nice things, it does have this handle built on the side, so it's very easy to pull with you. And then you have to notice it has a nice basket here. So whether you're filling that up with plants or whether you're just throwing your weeds and your debris in there, it works really, really well. That storage basket is about 19 inches by 14.5 inches by 9.5 inches in height, so it holds a lot of surface. And then the padded cushion that I'm sitting on, which is super comfortable when sitting on it, surface is about 19 inches by 12.5 inches, and it's about a 1 inch thick as far as the padding itself. And then it can support up to 400 pounds, so very, very easy to support. But overall, I absolutely love this thing. It really saves my back when it comes to gardening because you're not constantly standing up and down. You can sit and then you can pull all the weeds or plant as you need. And then it's super easy to grab the handle and just pull with you wherever you need to go at the end of the day. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a great garden cart that is also perfect for a seat, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you look curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.